The pain started about 2 years ago. It was quite painful. I had difficulty walking. I tried various lidocaine patches. It helped a little bit, but it wasn't long lasting. I even went for acupuncture for several months. Acupuncture helped while I was in the acupuncturist's office. I left. It was back to where I was. Dr. Bronson's staff took me into the x-ray room and they x-rayed my hips. And he said, there's no doubt about it. You need to have hip replacement. A little shocked, but I said, listen, I gotta get this thing done. The pain was just, it's impossible to do my daily routines. I am no longer in pain. The pain is gone. I just have to keep on walking, and each day it gets better. Shortly thereafter, I was able to climb steps. I climb steps up. I go up and down, no problem. I'm even taking one step after the other. Instead of taking just 1 foot at a time, I take right foot, left foot, going down each step, and it's working. I have only thank yous and compliments for the staff at Mount Sinai, Dr. Bronson in particular. All my concerns, any issues that I had, he reassured me that it's okay. And I feel good. I feel better about it. I can go on.